So imagine a soundstage so good you forget you are wearing an in-ear monitors. So most planar earbuds promise power, but they often struggle with somewhat like a metallic sheen or a compressed feeling that keeps the music trapped inside your head. And today we are taking a look at an evolution that aims to break those assumptions, and this is the Hidizs MP145 Pro. And it is not just a spec bump over the original, but a complete rethinking of what a reference-grade planar can achieve. And if you have been searching for that over-ear experience in a portable form factor, then you might want to settle in for this. So let's check it out. When I first hold these in my hands, the whale kind of design, you can see all the fins here and everything, really is beautiful and stands out. And this thing is made of a whole block of aviation grade aluminum, which feels really substantial, feels heavy and premium as well. While the 9.5 gram weight per side is managed well by the ergonomic shape. So if you have smaller ears, you might need a moment to find the right angle with these earbuds because they are really quite huge. And the internal structure is where the real story begins, because Hidizs has implemented the hidden ventilation ports inspired by the whale blowholes at the top to manage that kind of air pressure. And this isn't just a visual gimmick, but it actually works in tandem with the 14.5mm ultra precision nano grade diaphragm, which is also a planar driver to ensure that the driver can breathe. The result is a fit that feels very stable, and even with the sheer size of the housing, it reminds you of that massive planar technology that is tucked inside. So moving on to the cables, because Hidizs have moved away from their standard offerings from the past, and you get a 6N high purity silver plated single crystal copper braid that feels rugged and less prone to tangling, and the whole cable here does feel a lot thicker and more substantial. And the real highlight here is the modularity, which I really love, because this thing is interchangeable, and you can see I'm running the 4.4mm now. And all you need to do is just plug it out, and you can also put in the 3.5mm that came together with the box. So this is very swappable between your standard laptop 3.5mm jack to a balanced high-end source without changing the entire cable. So Hidizs has been doing this cable design for a few of their IEMs now, and I really love this concept. And the 0.78mm 2-pin plug here remains very secure. While the included sea anemone liquid silicone tips are high quality, it's difficult to get a perfect seal and can be quite a struggle here due to the nozzle size. And once you find that seal, however, the isolation is decent. So it is worth noting that this purchase supports to the whale and dolphin conservation as well, that Hidizs is supporting, which adds a layer of purpose to the hardware and directly supporting a great cause as well. So this is where the MP145 Pro separates itself from the pack and the planar timber that often plagues this driver type. And that slight artificial zing is effectively gone. So what replaces it is a refined referential sound that prioritizes accuracy over that traditional planar sound signature. So the bass here is masterfully handled in quality over quantity, and the 1T fully synthetic magnetic circuit provides a 40% increase in magnetic flux, which translates to a speed that you can feel in the sub bass. It reaches deep with a tight tactile extension that stays out of the way of the rest of the frequency response. The mid bass here is clean and detailed, providing enough body to feel natural without becoming muddy, and it is also great for fast-paced complex tracks where a slower driver would lose the rhythm. If you're a die-hard bass head, you might find yourself wanting more raw impact, but for those seeking textured bass, this is quite exceptional. The transition into the lower mids is very seamless as well, and there is a neutral-like presence here that gives male vocals a realistic weight. As we move into the upper mids, the forwardness is expertly controlled as well. It is transparent and revealing, which can be a double-edged sword again on a well-recorded track. The clarity is breathtaking. However, the MP145 Pro is unforgiving, and I noticed this if you have a recording that is poorly mastered or just a low-quality MP3 overall, these IEMs will let you hear the truth. And the treble extension is where the Pro monocle earns its keep. It is well presented with a high level of micro detail, and you can hear the trailing edges of cymbal crashes and the subtle breath of a vocalist, which I honestly really like. And it doesn't get harsh when listening to it even at louder volumes, which says a lot about the tuning. In my opinion, this is the star of the show. The soundstage is very wide, approaching the sensation of an open back over-ear headphones. Because of that ultra-low distortion and the precision of that 14.5mm driver, imaging is razor sharp, and you can pinpoint exactly where a guitar is placed or where the backup singers are standing, and it creates an immersive holographic feel that makes the music feel like a live performance rather than a recording. So with an impedance of 30 ohms and a sensitivity of 104 decibels, these are remarkably easy to drive for a planar IEM. You can get plenty of volume out of a standard smartphone or using a simple dongle DAC. However, to truly appreciate that massive soundstage and the speed of the bass, providing a bit more clean power from a dedicated source definitely will help the driver reach its full potential. So the Hidizs MP145 Pro is a different beast than its predecessor. It moves away from a more relaxed, airy sound towards something more technical, precise, and referential. By including 3 pneumatic tuning filters, Hidizs also gives you the ability to tweak that sound signature, and the silver filters leans into the high-end sparkle, while the red filters adds a touch more warmth to the low end, and it is arguably the best tuned planar IEM available today for those who value sonic truth. While the size might be a hurdle for some and transparency can be sharp on bad recordings, the trade-off is a level of detail and a stage size that is rare at this price point, and it takes the inherent strength of a planar technology and finally bringing them under control. And if you like this video, do subscribe to the channel and like this video, and if you want more reviews, check out these videos up here.